Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing Mediapipe and necessary libs. Do that now so code runs. Once done, open your editor and import MP. Solutions, Pose and Drawing Utilities. Next, instantiate Pose with detection confidence set to 0. 5 and model complexity tuned for performance versus accuracy. Connect your camera or load a test video at 30 FPS. This reduces jitter during development. Run a minimal loop to fetch frames and pass BGR images to Pose. Process immediately. This gives you landmarks to visualize and debug. Now you'll handle the per-frame processing. Convert each BGR frame to RGB, then call Pose. Process to get landmarks. You want normalized coordinates turned into pixel values by multiplying X by width and Y by height. This makes overlays precise. Also check the visibility score and skip low confidence points to avoid noisy results. Once landmarks exist, draw them with drawing utils and optionally draw bounding boxes. Finally, use a consistent throttling strategy. Skip frames or average positions to maintain a stable display. Finish by tuning and exporting. Test various model complexity and min detection confidence values to trade latency for accuracy, and toggle smooth landmarks if you need temporal stability. Once satisfied, serialize landmark lists to JSON or CSV with timestamps so you can analyze motion later. Close resources by releasing the video capture and calling Pose. Close to free GPU memory. If results look jittery or missing limbs, check lighting and camera exposure first. Then increase confidence thresholds or simplify the model to restore consistent detections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.